Stop by and take a look at 2012 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 95,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: remote engine start, traction control, power passenger seat, leather-wrapped steering wheel, dual airbags, air conditioning, power steering, alloy wheels, 8 speakers, AM/FM stereo with CD player and MP3 WMA capability. Come take a test drive today.